अस्सलाम वालेकुम। STA 301 स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी रियल क्विज़ेस स्क्रीनशॉट्स पार्ट 5 आज हम रीड करेंगे। इससे पहले हम ऑलमोस्ट 200 क्वेश्चन अपलोड कर चुके हैं पार्ट वाइज। तो इसको रीड करने से पहले मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि मैं ऑलमोस्ट 85 वीडियोस में अपलोड कर चुका हूँ यूट्यूब चैनल पे। तो टोटल 39 सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं अभी तक। तो तमाम व्यूअर्स से गुजारिश है कि अगर आपको मेरा ये चैनल वाक़यातन फ़ायदा दे रहा है तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और इसको आगे शेयर भी करें। क्वेश्चन 1, द पैरामीटर ऑफ द chi स्क्वायर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज़ v. The value of x square can never be negative. Analysis of variance is procedure that enables us to test the equality of several means. When two coins are tossed, the probability of at most one head is 2/4. The critical region for H1, ये आगे कुछ सिंबल हैं, इसको आप रीड करें और इसका ऑप्शन है ए। A discrete probability function f of x is always 1. When f of x is continuous probability function, then p of x is equal to 1 within bracket is 0. A random variable can be generated, option C, manually and mechanically. The curve of the f dash distribution depends upon degree of freedom. Assume that following is a probability distribution, then what is the value of a? इसको आप रीड करें। ऑप्शन है हमारा बी 0.8. The mode value from raw data can be obtained by the help of none of these. In normal distribution, the quartile deviation q dot d is equal to 0.6745 और साथ ये जो भी स्पेसिफिक सिंबल है, यानी कि ऑप्शन डी। A randomly selected sample of 400 students at university was asked whether or not they will participate in politics. 46% of the 400 students surveyed answer yes. Which one of the following statement is about number 46 is correct? It is a sample statistic. ये इसका आंसर है। It is a sample statistic. A student solved 25 questions from the first 50 questions of a book. The probability that he will solve the remaining all questions is 0.5. The average, which is defined as the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocals of the values, is called harmonic mean. For the independent events a and b, if p of a is equal to 0.25, p of b is equal to 0.40, then p into a intersection b is equal to 0.1. इसको आप देख लीजिएगा, अगर मैंने गलत रीड कर दी हो तो माजरत। The total number of samples when sampling is done with replacement is equal to n steric. Which of the following is correct option to find p into x plus y less than or equal to 1 within bracket? इसका ऑप्शन है हमारे पास सी। आंसर है डी 4 नंबर। The conditional probability function f of x or 1 within bracket is equal to ऑप्शन सी। ये बहुत दफ़ा रिपीट हो चुका है, इस क्वेश्चन को ज़रा गौर से देखिए। इन इंटरवल एस्टिमेशन वी ऑलवेज गेट रेंज ऑफ वैल्यूज़। Which of the following is an unbiased estimator of population? A स्क्वायर, ऑप्शन है हमारा डी। How many parameters are in T distribution? 1. A deserving player is not selected in the team is an example of type 2 error. After an interval is constructed, then what is the probability of occurrence of the parameter in it? 50. If x, ये ऊपर बार भी है x के ऊपर, is the mean of the n observation, then which test statistic will be used to calculate the confidence limit of the population variance? O square, A square। इसका आंसर है x square dash statistics, ऑप्शन सी। If mean of x square distribution is k, then variance will be 2k, option B। What is the graphical shape of the chi-square distribution? Positively skewed, ये भी repeated question है। What factor determines the shape of the T distribution? Degree of freedom। If x and y are random variables, then e into x minus y is equal to, option B, e into x within bracket है minus e y within bracket। In the regression line y is equal to a plus b x, the non-random variable is x। Next question, the parameters of the binomial distribution b into x n comma p within bracket है r n and p। Which of the following is true for the binomial distribution? ये यस ये डिफरेंट है x कामा n कामा p, तो आंसर हमारा ए है, मीन ग्रेटर देन वेरिएंस। हाइपर ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हैज़, ये इसका ऑप्शन डी है हमारे पास। द वेरिएंस ऑफ द हाइपर ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज, इसका ऑप्शन बी है। टेबुलेशन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ अरेंजिंग डाटा इनटू रोज एंड column। A simple bar chart consists of vertical or horizontal bars. Which one is formula to calculate the approximate value of class interval? Range oblique number of classes, option D। Which one of the following is equal to the second quartile? ये है median। For the independent events a and b, if p into a या p of a is equal to 0.15 comma p into b is equal to 0.50, then p ये repeated है, इसका ऑप्शन है b। हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, which of the following measure is not based on all the observation? ये है मोड।